In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz on Mailerlite, a fantastic email marketing platform. Whether you're looking to engage your audience or gather useful data, quizzes can be a powerful tool. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to create a quiz using Mailerlite. To start, head over to the Mailerlite website. Once there, you'll want to log in. Look for the login option and select it to access your account. For a smooth and quick login process, I recommend signing in with Google. It's a convenient option that many of us already rely on for other services. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see an option labeled Campaigns. Click on this to view your existing campaigns and to create new ones. Once you're in the Campaigns section, you'll find a Create Campaign button. Click this to start crafting your new campaign. When prompted, select Regular Campaign. This will allow you to send the quiz out just like any other email campaign. It's important to give your campaign a name that reflects what it is. This will help you keep your campaigns organized. For our purposes, let's keep it simple and name it something like quiz. Next, you'll need to type in a subject for your email. Remember, the subject line is crucial. It's the first thing your recipients will see, and it should grab their attention while also being relevant to your quiz content. With your campaign name and subject line set, it's time to choose your recipients. Click on Click to add your recipients, then simply select all active subscribers to ensure everyone on your list receives the quiz. Confirm your selection by clicking on Select. Once all that is sorted, it's time to move to the next step, selecting your content type. Click on Next Content. Here, you will find an option for Survey and Quizzes. This is exactly what you need. Go ahead and select it. Within this option, you should see a quiz selection. Click on Choose here to proceed. The fun part is ahead. You get to edit the quiz to your liking, customize the questions, the design, and any other elements to suit your goals and audience. Take your time here to make sure everything is just right. Once you're satisfied with your quiz, click on Done Editing. This will finalize your quiz content and prepare it for sending. The last step is to send out your quiz. Click on Send when you're ready to distribute your campaign to your chosen recipients. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created and sent out a quiz using Mailerlite. Keep an eye on the responses and gather the insights that your audience provides. This is a great way to boost engagement and learn more about what interests your subscribers. Thanks for watching and happy quizzing.